Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated voice command automation kits. One of the most convenient items modern technology can offer is the voice command automation kit. Just in case you don't want to get out of bed to make sure that your thermostat is in the right setting, or if you're in the middle of something but you also want a radio or TV playing in the background, the voice command automation kit can do it all for you. These kits offer numerous ways to make your life a bit easier each day, which is why our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has prepared for you a list of the 7 highest rated voice command automation kits in the market. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the voice command automation kits that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier for you to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first voice command automation kit on our list is the Sengled Smart Hub. The Sengled Element Hub acts as the brains of your system. It is able to connect to up to 64 element devices so that you will be able to control your devices in every room. The hub also allows you to take control of all your Sengled Element products using the app even if you're away from home. In terms of size, the Smart Hub measures 5.59 by 3.54 by 2.2 inches and weighs 6.4 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sengled Smart Hub a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its wide coverage range of up to 300 feet, its compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant that allows it to be controlled via voice command, its customizable light features in just one tap. With just one app, you will be able to control all your Sengled Element devices to set schedules, group devices, and more. The device's capability to support 64 Sengled Element devices. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Sengled Smart Hub are: the hub only works with Sengled Smart devices. It takes a little time to understand the instruction manual. The second voice command automation kit on our list is the brilliant Smart Home Control. This Smart Home Control system simplifies everything, making it easy for everyone to control well-known smart home products and experiences right from a touchscreen panel on your wall. It includes a 5-inch LCD touchscreen, a built-in camera with a privacy shutter, and a built-in motion sensor. In terms of size, this gadget measures 9.17 by 6.93 by 2.4 inches and weighs 1.74 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the brilliant Smart Home Control a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its compatibility with almost all smart home devices such as Alexa, Google, Apple HomeKit, and many more. Its one-touch feature that allows you to control lights and music along with its 2 switch panels. It's smart lighting that turns regular lights into smart lights, allowing you to control Hue, LIFX, and Casa TP-Link smart bulbs. Its ability to see who's at the door with its Ring Video doorbell, while it can also unlock the door with one tap from the device. The Sonos speakers can be controlled straight from the wall, and you can browse and play music without needing a phone or app. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the brilliant Smart Home Control are: the device is a bit expensive. The device's installation takes a while to set up. The third voice command automation kit on our list is the BroadLink Smart Remote Control Hub. The BroadLink Control Hub integrates control of your IR appliances into one easy-to-use app. It allows hands-free voice control of your devices, such as turning the television on and off as well as turning the volume up and down. It is worth noting that this control hub supports more than 50,000 IR-controlled entertainment and live appliances, while its library is constantly being updated by the cloud to ensure the newer devices are always compatible. In terms of size, it measures 1.85 by 1.85 by 1.65 inches and weighs 2.12 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BroadLink Smart Remote Control Hub a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its ability to schedule TV viewing with its built-in downloadable app, its quick home automation that works with Alexa and Google in activating control mode settings, its full integration of home appliances with easy-to-use BroadLink app that gives you hands-free voice control of your devices, the use of if this then that programming with other apps and devices, its customizable preset scenes for sleep, morning, and away mode. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the BroadLink Smart Remote Control Hub is linking the home devices to the app takes a while. The fourth voice command automation kit on our list is the Emerson Sensi Touch. The Emerson Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat provides you full comfort and control at your fingertips no matter where you are. It is worth noting that the Sensi guides you through each step of its installation process for added convenience. Once it is properly installed, you can let your location automatically adjust your temperature settings with geofencing, or use the intuitive control to create a schedule that fits your lifestyle and save money on HVAC-related energy costs. In terms of size, this device measures 3.4 by 5.63 by 1.17 inches and weighs 1 pound. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Emerson Sensi Touch a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its ability to save up to 23% on HVAC energy by adjusting the temperature using a flexible schedule and remote access feature. The device features smart alerts to help you detect extreme temperature and humidity levels in your home. The ability to monitor current day and historical heating, cooling, and fan run times. Its built-in level, illuminated easy click, and step-by-step app instructions for a quick installation. It's easy to use your smart devices to access remote features. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Emerson Sensi Touch are: the device does not provide a temperature data chart. There's no adjustable brightness and contrast. The fifth voice command automation kit on our list is the Hubitat Elevation Home Automation Hub. The Hubitat boasts a no latency or delays and automatically turns on and off appropriately. Its local processing means that your devices and automation work even when the internet is down. In terms of data security, the Hubitat locally stores user data, which is never sold to third parties. When it comes to size, the unit measures 2.95 by 2.95 by 0.67 inches and weighs 8.1 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hubitat Elevation Home Automation Hub a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its data stays exclusively in the hub for privacy protection. Its built-in automation apps let you build your own unique automation for all your smart devices. Its wide range of compatibility with other smart devices for easy home automation. Its dashboard interface that can be customized for each room and user for remote monitoring all of the home activities. The free iOS and Android app includes device control, dashboards, presence sensor, and management tools. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Hubitat Elevation Home Automation Hub is the device might slow down a bit while connecting to different devices. The sixth voice command automation kit on our list is the Philips Hue Smart Hub. This Philips Smart Hub grants control of your indoor and outdoor lights from your smartphone, tablet, or even with your voice. Being the heart of the system, it provides endless control possibilities through the Philips Hue app and allows you to add up to 50 Hue lights. In terms of size, the device measures 1 by 3.5 by 3.5 inches and weighs 8.3 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Philips Hue Smart Hub a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its voice control feature and its ability to add up to 50 Philips Hue Smart lights of your choice. The device setting timers and alarms are fully controllable via an app, while it is also capable of controlling the brightness of the smart light. Its cross-device compatibility to connect to other smart home devices for a wide range of automation settings. It doesn't slow down other devices connected to Wi-Fi since it works independently from the home's internet. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Philips Hue Smart Hub is the connection setup is a bit tricky when connecting home devices all at once. The seventh voice command automation kit on our list is the Amazon Echo 4th Gen. The Amazon Echo is a well-rounded voice command automation kit that combines premium sound, a built-in Zigbee smart home hub, and a temperature sensor. It features powerful speakers that deliver clear highs, dynamic mids, and deep, rich bass for a crisp, detailed sound that adapts to any setting. In terms of size, the Amazon Echo has dimensions of 5.7 by 5.7 by 5.2 inches and weighs 34.2 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com awarded Amazon Echo 4th Gen a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its upward-firing woofer and dual tweeters for clear and detailed sound. It starts your routines with motion, being able to turn on lights and gadgets as you walk into a room. Its voice control activated to stream music from Amazon, Apple Music, and Spotify. Its ability to call friends and family hands-free who also have an Alexa app or an Echo device. Its multiple privacy protection measures. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Amazon Echo 4th Gen is the device doesn't have 360-degree speakers. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated voice command automation kits which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next voice command automation kit roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.